Heather from FirstStepReading.com, and this is
Haley from Reading.com.
We're going to go over step 2, letter sounds. We start with short vowel sounds when we teach letter sounds. So, an A says A, an E says E, an I says I, an O says A, a U says So it's A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, A, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Those are all the sounds. Now I'll point, I'll say the letter name, and Haley will say the sounds. What sound does an A make?
A.
What sound does an A make?
A.
Okay, what sound does a B make?
B.
Just stay there. C, D,
D.
E,
A.
F, G,
G.
H, I,
E.
J,
J.
K, L,
N.
M,
N.
N,
N.
O,
A.
P, Q, R,
R.
S, T, U,
A.
V,
N.
W,
W.
X, Y,
Y.
Z.
Z.
So those are the letter sounds. You notice we did the short vowel sounds for our vowels, A, E, I, O, U. So that's step 2, is knowing your letter sounds. Thank you.